students, welcome to KJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss units and measurements in this objective type questions. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. First one, if U1 and U2 are the units of a physical quantity and N1 and N2 are its numerical values, then N1 by N2 is equal to U1 by U2, N1 by N2 is equals to square root of U1 by U2, and N1 by N2 whole square is equals to U1 by U2, N1 by N2 is equals to U2 by U1. Here in this U1, U2 are the units of physical quantity and N1, N2 are its numerical values. Then N1 by N2 is equals to U2 by U1. Okay. This is the relation between numerical values and physical quantities. So fourth option is correct. Next. In MKS system, the unit of pressure is dyne per centimeter square, atmosphere, Pascal, centimeters of Hg, mercury. Hg is nothing but mercury. So in MKS system, the unit of pressure is Pascal or Newton per meter square. We can call it as Newton per meter square. Pressure nothing but force per unit area. So F by A. Pressure is equals to force by area. Force acting on a unit area is known as pressure. In MK system, the unit of force is Newton. In MK system, the unit of area is meter square. So Newton per meter square or Pascal. PA, nothing but Pascal. Symbolically, Pascal can be written as PA. So in MK system, the unit of pressure is either Newton per meter square or Pascals. This is the MKS unit of pressure. In MKS system, unit of pressure is Pascal. Okay. Next. Which of the following is not the unit of time? Microsecond, leap year, light year, lunar month. In these four options, which is not the unit of time? So here light year is not the unit of time because light year is the distance travelled in light in 1 year. So it measures the distance. Remaining all microsecond, leap year, lunar month, all these are concerning unit of time. So light year only is measured to distance. Light year nothing but distance travelled by light in 1 year. This is unit of distance, not unit of time. Okay, third option is correct. Newton per kilogram is the unit of momentum, acceleration, energy, density. So Newton per kilogram is the unit of acceleration. A is equals to, from Newton's second law of motion, we can written as A is equals to F by m. Newton's second law of motion, F is equals to ma. From this we are writing A is equals to F by m. Force unit Newton and unit of mass kilogram. So Newton per kilogram is the unit of acceleration. A nothing but here acceleration. Okay. Next, Pascal is the SI unit of impulse, coefficient of viscosity, surface tension, pressure. So here Pascal is the SI unit of pressure. Okay. Next, which of the following is unit of distance? First one, parallactic second, light year, nautical mile, all the above. So here, which of the following is the unit of distance? All are unit of distance. Parallactic second is also unit of distance, and light year is also unit of distance. Nautical mile is also unit of distance. So all the above. Next, unit used to measure nuclear diameter is Fermi, Armstrong, micron, nanometer. So unit used to measure nuclear diameter is Fermi. Okay. Next, candela is the SI unit of intensity of sound, luminous intensity, intensity of electric field, luminous flux. Here candela is the SI unit of luminous intensity. Luminous intensity candela unit SI unit is candela. Okay, candela is the SI unit of luminous intensity. Next, kilogram meter second inverse is the unit of force, linear momentum, angular momentum, torque. Kilogram meters per second is the unit of linear momentum. Linear momentum nothing but mass into velocity. So linear momentum is equals to linear momentum is equals to m into v. M nothing but mass into velocity. So mass unit kilogram, SI unit of mass is kilogram, and SI unit of velocity is meters per second. So kilogram meter second inverse is the unit of linear momentum. Okay. Next, kilowatt hour is the unit of power, energy, pressure, time. So kilowatt hour is the unit of energy. So kilowatt hour, kWh, kilowatt hour is the unit of energy. Next, 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 36 kilojoules, 36 in 10 to the power of minus 5 joules, 360 joules, and 36 into 10 to the power of 5 joules. 1 kilowatt hour is equals to, kilowatts is equals to 1000 watts, and hours is equals to 1 hour is equals to 60 seconds into 60 minutes. So 6 6 are 36, 36 here 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. So 36 into 10 to the power of 5 joules. 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 36 into 10 to the power of 5 joules. So fourth option is correct. Okay. Next, the constant which has no dimensions but has unit is gravitational constant, Rydberg constant, Joule's constant, universal gas constant. So the constant which has no dimensions but has unit is Joule's constant. Okay. Electron volt is the unit of power, potential difference, electrical charge, energy. So electron volt, EV, electron volt is the unit of energy. Next, if energy is given as mass into pressure by A, the units of the physical quantity A in SI system are Newton per meter, kilogram meter second inverse, kilogram meter to the power of minus 3, joule meter inverse and Kelvin inverse. Now let us see this solution. Here the given as A is equals to mass into pressure by energy. So here mass m, pressure m1 L to the power minus 1 T power minus 2 by energy m1 L square T power minus 2. So here m1 L to the power of minus 3. Here m1 and L minus 1, here 2 going that side, minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, and t gets cancelled. So m nothing but kilogram meter to the power of minus 3. So third one is correct. Next, 1 horsepower is equals to 746 watts, 746 joules, 1746 watts and 373 watts. Here 1 horsepower is equals to 746 watts. Next, which of the following is a unit of energy? Joule, electron volt, watt hour, all the above. See here, the unit of energies are joule, electron volt, watt hour. So all the above, all are the units of energies. Next, n Newton second, that is equals to 1 gram centimeter second inverse. Then the value of n is 10 to the power of 5, 10 to the power of minus 5, 10 to the power of minus 6, 10 to the power of minus 7. Here in this the value of n is 10 to the power of minus 5. Here 1 gram Newton second, 1 gram centimeter second to the power of minus 1. In the place of n, 10 to the power of minus 5. This is the relation between units of force. 1 Newton is equals to 10 to the power of 5 dynes. 1 dyne is equals to 10 to the power of minus 5 newtons. Okay. Next, which of the following is not unit of work? Newton meter, dyne centimeter, watt second, Newton second. So in this Newton second is not the unit of work. Next, meter square per second square may be the unit for acceleration, latent heat, magnetic flux, charge density. Here meter square per second square may be the unit for latent heat. Next, physical quantity having the unit joule kilogram inverse is thermal capacity, specific heat, latent heat, heat. So here the physical quantity latent heat having the unit of joule kilogram inverse. So this is latent heat. The relation between latent heat and mass is Q is equals to ml. M represents mass, L latent heat, Q amount of heat. So L is equals to written as Q by M. Q nothing but heat. So the unit of heat is SI unit of heat is joule. SI unit of mass kilogram. So SI unit of latent heat is joule kilogram inverse. So the physical quantity having the unit of joule kilogram inverse is latent heat. Okay. Next, the quantity having the units of mass is impulse, inertia, moment of inertia, density. So here the quantity having the units of mass is inertia. Mass measures inertia. So that's why the quantity having the units of mass is inertia. Next, 1 Fermi is equals to 10 to the power of minus 7 micron, 10 to the power of minus 5 Armstrong unit, 10 to the power of minus 3 nanometer, none of the above. So here 1 Fermi is equals to, Fermi nothing but femtometer, 1 femto, 1 Fermi is equals to 10 to the power of minus 5 Armstrong unit. Okay. Next, if P X-ray unit that is equals to q micron, then P by Q is 10 to the power of 7, 10 to the power of minus 7, 10 to the power of 5 and 10 to the power of minus 3. Here P by Q is equals to 10 to the power of 7. Let us see the solution. Here P X-ray unit is equals to 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. 1 micron is equals to 10 to the power of minus 6 meters. So, therefore, P into 10 to the power of minus 13 is equals to Q into 10 to the power of minus 6. So, then P by Q is equals to 10 to the power of minus 6 by 10 to the power of minus 13. Minus 13 going this side plus 13. So, 13 minus 6 is 7. So, P by Q is equals to 10 to the power of 7. Okay. Next. A and B are the numerical values of physical quantity and C and D are its respective units in two systems of measurement. If C is greater than D, then A is greater than B, A is less than B, A is equals to B, all the above are true. Here, now let us see the solution. N1 U1 is equals to N2 U2. So, N is inversely proportional to U. So, that is why A is less than B. Second option is correct. Okay. Derived unit is candela, steradian, ampere, volt. So, in this derived unit is volt. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.